Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Raisin and today we are going to have a quick breakdown of our previous trade with gold because last night I managed to earn around $12 or an equivalent of 600 pesos in just 2 to 3 hours with gold. So I will be telling you my process on how I entered and exited the trade. So last night while I was browsing my phone, I saw this long candle for gold and I tried reviewing the previous movement of the market and compare it to the current movement of the market. So let's zoom out a bit and let's make our monitor bigger. Now, if you are trading, it is very important for you to check the previous movement of the market and analyze it with the current movement of the market. Now let us start first with the previous movement of the market. If you're going to look at the chart of gold, you could see that there is a very strong resistance levels here for gold. Let's make our rectangle a little bit bigger. Okay, there you go. And now as you can see, this is a clear resistance level for gold. It tried going up, but it failed. Tried going up, and it failed. Now, if you're going to look at the current movement of the market, let's zoom in again. It managed to successfully break out of the resistance level. Now, this strategy is what we call breakout strategy. This is just a very simple strategy wherein you will just be waiting and observing until the coin or until your asset breaks out from its previous resistance levels. And because gold managed to do it, I entered the trade. Now, since we managed to identify our entry levels, the next thing that you need to do is to identify the exit levels for gold. Same process, you need to compare it with the previous movement of the market. Now let's try to zoom out and look for the possible resistance levels. Now the next clear resistance levels for gold are these areas right here. As you can see, there is a clear resistance level here for gold, and we will just extend our rectangles because the previous movement of the market will somehow affect the current or the future movement of the market. So let's zoom in again, and now we identified that in this level we are going to exit our trade. So if we are going to look at the lower time frame, so this was an indication for me to sell gold because there is a red candle forming here. It means there is a possibility of having a shift in trend. It means if it is going up, then there might be a possibility that it will go down again. So as you can see, it's very simple. I didn't use any indicator. I just stick to my plan of the breakout strategy and the resistance strategy. Okay, buy from the breakout and sell at the resistance levels. All right, so I hope you learned something from our quick breakdown of our previous trade with gold. Now guys, if you're interested in trading gold, in trading crypto, in trading Forex, there is a link below in the comment section and a link in our description where you could register and make your account with XM. Now, XM is a broker that will allow you to trade in Forex, trade in gold, trade in crypto, stocks, precious metals, and many more. Okay, so just try to click the link below, register, and you're good to go. So see you guys in our next trading analysis. Have a great day. Peace out.